Hey guys, this is Jim K from StairwayToVideo.com with another one of my video tips. Today we're going to be talking about a better way to hide your lavalier microphone so that people don't see it, and to get better sound when you're outside so the wind isn't blowing across it. So you got two things in this video. You've got one, to be able to hide it real well so nobody can see it, and secondly, protect it from the wind while you're outside. Today we're going to be using the Rode Lavalier Wireless Go system. It's one of these guys right here. This will work with any lavalier system. So anyway, if you're interested, come on, let's get started. Okay, so we've got a couple of items here. We've obviously got the Rode Wireless Go. I have a Shure MVL microphone right here we're going to use as my lavalier mic. And then I've got a TRRS to TRS adapter. So we need this because if you look at this guy, we've got TRRS. So we've got 4 segments on this plug. And we need to bring it down to 2 segments so I can plug it into my digital SLR. So we just plug this guy in here for this. That's that. And then on this guy, what we're going to do is we're going to take this windscreen off. We're going to take this clip off. And then we're just going to use this part. So these guys are going away, and we're just going to use this part of the lavalier microphone. Okay, the next thing you're going to need is some duct tape or gaffer's tape. You don't need anything too strong, just something that's going to stick. So you're going to pull off about a 5-inch piece of it. Actually, going to pull off 2 5-inch pieces. There's one. There's 2. And you're going to take them like this. You're going to want to fold it so that the sticky side is out. Fold it into a triangle like this. Triangle. And just keep moving it down the tape so you keep that triangle. That. That, and then fold this edge over. So there's one. Do the same thing to the other one. Your first triangle. Keep moving it down. Over. And then finish it off like this. Okay, so now you've got 2 pieces of very sticky duct tape. So now take your lavalier mic and place it right at the middle of that longest line of your triangle there. So right in the middle, press it down in. So you got a little bit sticking out, if you can see it or not. And then do the same thing and cover it with the second piece and leave a tiny bit sticking up the top here. So now you've got your lavalier sticking in the center of this guy. So next thing is to place it where you're going to place it. Now I usually stick it like right in the center of my chest. So take it like right here. Wherever you think it's going to be better for you, place it right here. Okay, hide the cord down there. Button up your shirt. And the great thing about this too is it actually holds your shirt in place. So now if I press that, it's going to hold my shirt in place. Plus it's stuck to my t-shirt underneath. There we go. The next step is to take this guy, plug it into my adapter, going from TRS to TRRS to TRS. And now we're going to plug this red end into the Rode Wireless Go right here. And we can turn it on. All right, now let's go switch it. let's go switch the sound over. I've got it plugged into this microphone right next to me here. We'll go switch it over and see what it sounds like. Okay. Well, I just realized I wasn't getting any sound out of my camera because I had this microphone plugged in, and I had to go plug the Rode Wireless Go, the second part of it, the receiver, into my digital SLR camera so that I'd be getting some good, clean sound out of this guy. I think it sounds fairly good. I know that this is only part of the test we wanted to do. We also wanted to do some testing on taking this microphone underneath my shirt outside in a little bit of wind to see how much that this tape trick takes the sound away so that it's not blowing and clipping and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, let's walk outside. Well, I don't have very much wind out here, but I do have the lavalier mic on. So I'm just hoping that some breeze will come by here to give me, there we go, turn this way. So, all right, got quite a bit of breeze here. Hoping that we've got quite a bit of noise so we can test out our little hack here, the one with the, using the masking tape. So let's see. Still getting some breeze here, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to take this one off, or at least take the clip off. And I'm going to put our masking tape trick on here. Sorry for the noise. All right, I'm putting the lav into the masking tape right now. All right, I'm going to tape it to my shirt. Excuse me. Right here. Now I'll back up in the same position I was at here. All right, there's a little bit of a breeze here. You guys tell me if it sounds any better or not. We have to wait for a little bit of breeze. But again, I've got this masking tape technique underneath my shirt that kind of blocks the lavalier microphone. It uses your shirt and the masking tape together to be able to give you better sound out in the wind. So let's wait a second. There we go. I got some breeze hitting me from the side here, blowing across like I did last time. Some breeze blowing this way now. What do you think? Well, let's do a sound check while we're out here. Sound check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Tell me how this lav mic sounds outside. Again, we got wind coming kind of crazy different ways. Anyway, I think it's a good technique to use outside. Get good sound from your lavalier microphone. Okay, now we've got quite a bit of wind coming across, blowing right at my chest. And you can tell by taking a look at the fern here and the flag in the background. So we've got leaves blowing all on the ground in front of me. It's fairly windy at the moment. So I'm hoping that this masking tape technique is helping out, and so that it doesn't blow across the top of the lavalier microphone and gives me great sound. So let's give it a try. Now I'm getting blasted right in the face with some wind. So sound check, 1, 2, 3. Mic check, 1, 2. I think we'll go in and be happily surprised. Well, guys, I'm going to finish this off by saying I think it worked fantastic. You know, for as much wind as there was out there, and you guys saw the plant and the flag waving in the wind, and it was blowing right across my chest on the front porch. I think it sounded pretty good. Even out near the tree, it wasn't quite as windy after I put the duct tape on as it was before. But I think you get the idea. It's a great way to get great sound in your videos by using a lavalier mic, even the Rode Wireless Go or any other kind of a wireless lavalier mic. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, ring that little bell icon if you want to get notified for the next time I upload a video. And one thing again I wanted to say to you guys, which I've said before, and I thank you very much for following me on my channel. It means a lot to me, and I really enjoy it when you write to me and put a comment down below and tell me the issues you're having or tell me the victories you're having, because I enjoy reading them and I enjoy answering them when I can. So anyway, thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you guys. When you're all done for the day, be sure to take this duct tape apart, because it gets really, really sticky, and you don't want to wreck your lavalier microphone. There we go. Have a great day.